Hello friends, here is iPhone 12 Pro Max. This I took with Apple Care, and this is the other phone for my friend. And so in addition to the phone, I bought the MagSafe charger and the earpods for both phones. So the MagSafe charger is $39. The earpods, I think it's just $29. So, and I ordered this case before the phone came, so they were all ready. So I'm gonna open just this one. This is the blue one, this is graphite, so there's a slight difference in colors. So I'm gonna keep this aside, and the first thing I want to do is to put this premium tempered glass protector. This is a privacy glass protector, so it's best I do it as soon as I open the phone so I can avoid any dust or contamination. So here we go. That's how you open it, and you put the wrapping away, and here we ready. There we go. So that's the phone. So this is the blue phone that they just released, and here's the front. So before I open this side, so it has these little symbols where you turn off the phone, the volume up, down, and the silencing. So let me just pull this, so you see the privacy protector glass, and guess what I'll have to do is to just get this off like that, and get this off the screen, take it to my hand, and I hope I'll do a better job and place it perfectly. I am not sure if all the edges are perfect. If not, I'll have to redo it. Looks like it's fine. There we go. It's now evening out on its edges. Oops, there are these air bubbles that I try to avoid having. Yeah, it all disappeared. It looks perfect. So how do I turn it on? Oops. Okay, it's turning on. And let me see if I can. Actually, I don't know if I can put it in this case. It looks, oh, I can. So it seems to fit in there perfectly. But it's a little bit harder. Let me see. I like this case also because it protects the phone extra with the, I think it fitted fine, so it just stays like that. It's a little bit off grid, but that's fine. So, and the rest is to just set it up. Okay, select United States, do setup manually. Okay, so I'll stop the video from there. I think the rest is just there we go. Let me continue, not stopping the video. It's just 4.5. Oops, it's an incorrect password, so see. I can feel the bigger screen with plenty. Oh, what do I do? Escape. Perfect. So it's taken. So what should I do? I'll go next. Take a few minutes to activate your phone. So you follow the on-screen guide and your phone will be ready. So what's happened? It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. I think I left a little air bubble here. I hope it will disappear eventually. Alright, so data and privacy. Set up later in settings. I did the password. So I will restore from iCloud backup. I will just enter yeah, you can well, let me see. Okay, seven 45381. So Apple sends a verification code to your other Apple device. So I had an iPad, so they sent a code to the iPad. Right here it disappeared. So it's coming through. So I was very much looking forward to this phone because my iPhone 6s was pretty old and wasn't really doing a great job in its performance. Okay. So looks like it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So because it's connected to Wi-Fi, I hope it is faster. So here are the sides. Let me see. I didn't actually show you the sides of the phone. So oops. These are the sides of the phone. So you put the SIM tray. This is the SIM tray, and you have the they no longer have the headphone jacket. They have the C port, and then you have the on-off button. And this I don't think has any function. I don't know. So why does it keep asking me to agree? I mean, I thought they did it already. Keep your iPhone up to date. Continue, set up later, so you can set up Apple Pay and set up Siri and all of that. Because I want you to show the screen, I will True Tone display. Just continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Here we go. So this is the final on screen. So it's really pretty big, and so I'll put the SIM card here, and then I will end the so that's, I think, pretty much self-explanatory. So you just I don't think inside, I mean, maybe they have that SIM card tray thing. So you have the little they haven't changed it, so and then they have the Apple sticker here. So that's all you get, and with the phone what comes is just the lightning cable. That's it. You don't get anything. So Apple went poor this time. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a great day.